Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm gonna show another amazing exotic car. This is gonna be the Ferrari F430 Scuderia Spider 16M. Like every car enthusiast, Ferrari has a special place in my heart, and especially the red ones look amazing. I think that if it's a Ferrari, it has to be red. This one is made by Bburago. Let me take it out of the box so you can check it out. I really like how they attached the motto to the stand. Okay guys, this is gonna be the end of this Ferrari video. I hope you liked it. If you do so, please consider subscribing. And if you're looking to buy this amazing Ferrari, I'll include a link in the description for you. Thanks for watching.